Yuck. It is a rainy day. It rained last night. Now there's like a heavy mist coming down, so there's a lot of condensation and dripping off the trees. I got to bed around midnight, which is too late. I need to get up earlier. Woke up like 3 or 4 times. The dogs wanted out one of those times. The other times they just stayed in bed. And they let me sleep until 7:30 this morning. I think the last time I got up was 6 and then went back to bed, something like that. Come on, Hope, come on. A lot of dreams, but I can't remember any of them. I tried. And they're gone, as usual. On our way to the dump this morning. Oh, I need to open some windows. Oh, sorry. Hang on. Okay, and lock the windows closed. All right, let's go. Bella's in the back. I don't know how you'll be able to see that. And here's Hope. She's a good girl. It's a misty morning. No walk today. It's raining. So I went down and got the mail and they went with me. But that was about it. There's the other one. She's on guard duty. As usual. Ended up playing Minecraft with Adam today. Because I haven't done that in a while. So that was nice. There she is. Who's a good girl? You are. Oops. Yeah, you are. You're a good girl. Let's go find Hope. Hup, hup. Oh, there she is. She's all bundled up. Are you comfy? Are you comfy?